Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically add YouTube to your taskbar on Windows. So you're just going to open up youtube.com and you're going to select this icon to download YouTube and you're going to press install. I'm just going to press yes so that it gets pinned to the taskbar, and there you go. It's now on the taskbar. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. I hope it worked out for you. If it didn't, you can just comment again on the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.